In 2024, if you are interested in electric vehicle, you must have heard of BYD. BYD has become the most popular car brand in China and is headquartered in my home city. So I'm going to take a look. However, BYD is located in Pingshan district, which is far away from my home. Shenzhen is not big by area, but it's very long from east to west. It's shaped a bit like the country of Zambia. It costs at least 1 hour and 15 minutes to get from Bao'an to Pingshan by metro. At this time, I found out there is a non-stop high-speed train goes directly to Pingshan. Some people lived in Pingshan took it to work in city center when Metro Line 14 was not yet available. Finally, in December 2022, a new rail transit called Sky-Shuttle opened in Pingshan. It's made by BYD, self-driving, considered a special transportation in Shenzhen. This time, I'm going to take the high-speed train and then Sky-Shuttle to BYD's headquarters.
Hello everyone, I'm in front of Shenzhen North Station, a major high-speed railway station. And I think most people come here to take a high-speed train to go to other cities. But do you know there's also a high-speed train starts from here and the destination is also located in Shenzhen. So let's check it out. Above the square there's a metro station. So here is very convenient.
The station is very large inside. It's designed to be like this because of the large number of passengers. There are trains head to every major city of China. Every train has its gate for boarding. Here is the gate which checks my train. The platform is downstairs. The train's model is CRH380B. It contains 16 coaches divided in 2 units, so you cannot cross from the 8th to the 9th coach without getting out of the train. Business and first class are situated at the front and back end of each unit.
9号车厢吗？
对，9号车厢。
3号位置。
3位的这边。
One thing to note is that, unlike airplane, the most expensive seat on the high-speed train is business class, followed by first class. Second class is equal to economy. And here is the price of Shenzhen Bay to Pingshan. Since the whole journey is only 17 minutes long, I'm the only one in the first class today. This is my first time taking first class. I've only traveled in second class before. If I wasn't making a video, I would have never spent extra 10 yuan for first class. There's a curtain that can be pulled down for shade. There is a tray table can be released from the armrest. It's different from the second class seat, whose table is set up in the front seat back.
各位旅客，欢迎乘坐本次列车。担任本次列车服务工作的是中国铁路广州局集团有限公司的乘务组。为营造诚实守信、文明乘车的良好氛围，请大家文明就坐，不抢座，不霸座。请大家文明乘车，车厢内不要大声喧哗。使用手机等电子产品时，尽量降低声音。前台旅客在调整座椅时要关注。
Soon, two sides of the railway are shaded by trees, and there are no much of a view we can see. Then the train enters a tunnel. Most of this section is tunnel under mountains. After leaving the tunnel, the train passes a nature park. Even though Shenzhen is very densely populated, parks still take up a lot of land. We are passing the Third People's Hospital of Shenzhen. It's a very big hospital. It looks like a new metro station is under construction next to it. The train passes over the Metro Line 3. It's the first line connecting the eastern suburbs of Shenzhen. After passing through a tunnel again, our train enters Pingshan district. There are not as many skyscrapers here. We arrived at Pingshan station on time and it took 17 minutes. Maybe this is the highest speed I've ever moved within the city.
各位旅客，广点优采提示您，列车已经到达。
There are not many passengers on the platform. Perhaps more people choose Metro Line 14 to come to Pingshan now.
As you can see, the waiting area and the exit area are separated. We have to tap the identity card again to exit the station. And basically most stations have two squares, different sides. I'm going to take this one. Oh, we can see the Sky-Shuttle. There's also an underlying metro station, line 16. I think this project is another high-speed line under construction. Pingshan Railway Station is the terminus of Sky-Shuttle, so we can see the end of this line. Now let's go to the Sky-Shuttle station. The little train is coming. Here is the entrance. And here is a ticket vending machine. So let's see. To the end, BYD North.
请选择车票类型、购票数量及支付方式。
3, and we can pay by Alipay, WeChat or cash. For the cash, it's only 5 and 10 notes are available.
请
WeChat Pay.
核对购票信息并支付。出票中，请勿拉拽。
And here's the ticket. There's a QR code. So I think I scan the QR code to enter the gate. To train. Oh, it's coming. It's a rubber-tired metro. But we cannot get on from this side. We can only get on the train on the opposite side.
The train that arrives at this station continues moving to the end. Then it turns around and goes to the opposite side of the platform. I feel like the inside of this train is similar to the metro, just much shorter with only 4 carriages. The entire route is unbridged, and you can get a nice view from the window. It's self-driving and has no driver's cab, but there is a staff standing here and I don't know what he's operating. The distance between each stop is short and there are not many passengers.
中心国际站到了，下车的乘客请携带好您的行李物品下车。下车时，请注意列车与站台之间的空隙。
When approaching the terminus, I'm the only one in the train except for that staff.
列车已到达本站，请所有乘客。
Finally, I reached the destination, BYD North. It's very close to the headquarters of BYD, and I think maybe 400 meters south. And there are some residential buildings here. No passengers. One elevator on that side, and here's the stairs. And scan the QR code again to exit the gate.
乘票。
Here you can borrow a battery. There are no toilets in the station. Here is the end of this line. And a major road for cars. Here is BYD company. It doesn't look so fancy, just like a normal factory. Here is basically no stores or shopping areas here. It's very quiet. Here is the main building of BYD. It's called Hexagon. America has Pentagon, while BYD made one more. As you can see, there's another line and a station inside the company. It's a monorail line BYD made for test. Now it's for intertransportation in the company. So only people who work in BYD can try this railway system. We can see the monorail clearly on this bridge. The company is divided by this road. So the monorail line combines east and west part. Here is the gate of BYD. Let me try to enter it. 你好，没有预约，但我看到里面有个展厅，能进去参观吗？
我们这里不对外。
不对外。
对，你要进去你就必须得叫里面。
叫你们来接才行。
对，要约要